Welcome to this short screencast about a new web API called Once Event Listeners. I have an example here with a payment button, and you only want the payment button to activate once. So let's start with the traditional solution. I'll start by finding the button and adding a click handler. And inside this click handler, I'll add an anonymous function with just a console log so we can see how it's working. Since we want this event handler to activate just once, inside this anonymous function, we should remove the event listener. But now you realize that we also need to find the button again, so I'm going to save it into a variable so that I could reuse it to add the event listener and also to remove the event listener. In order to remove the event listener, we need two arguments. The first one is the type of the event, which is click, or just event.type to avoid duplication. And then the second argument should be the function itself. That's why it cannot be anonymous anymore. We have to name it, for example, process payment. So yeah, that should do. Let's give it a try. The first time we click, we see the console log, and then it deactivates. That's great, but I don't really like the solution, so let's see how we can easily simplify it with the once event listener. So let's start by removing the remove event listener, and let's specify a third argument of add event listener with once true, and that's it. So there's no need to name the function. We can go back to an anonymous function, and I can also even use arrow functions here. It will still work. So here it is in the browser. Browser support for this one is quite interesting. A few weeks ago, it was barely supported on a few browsers, but you can see it's emerging, and hopefully in a matter of weeks or months, we'll have it across the board. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe as I'll be releasing new videos soon.